All right, ladies and gentlemen, after several long months of working, I finally got it to where I can actually start it, have the throttle do something, I got the idle set properly. As you can see, the throttle linkage is not going to move. My air cleaner is on properly, and it's running great. So I got the idle set about 650, so that way it'll hopefully not diesel, but I think I've got enough carbon deposits on the top of the cylinders that it'll diesel anyway. So easy way to do that is just, or easy way to get around that is to just hit the brake and let the clutch out after you turn the gas off or the ignition off. Also a fun discovery I found down here on the dash. We've got this little button here that is a starter button. So all in all, I think she's ready to go. I took her around the block. She drives great, runs a little bit hot, so I'm going to be checking into the cooling system next, but I think it'll make it to the new house once we get it all bought.